Have you ever wondered what happens behind the screen every time you ask an AI a question? While we see an instant answer, and large data centers are working behind the background, consuming a large amount of water and power supplies to generate those responses. But how many of you actually knew about this hidden environmental impact? That question became a straight point to our research. Curious minds ask questions, driven minds find answers. We are the MBA students of MS Rama University of Applied Sciences, and this is our team.
Generative AI has become a part of our everyday life, from studying and working to coding and content creation. As its uses continues to grow, understanding its environmental impact becomes increasingly important. While many studies explain why people adopt AI, very few explore whether awareness of its environmental impact can encourage more responsible and sustainable usage. We wanted to bridge that gap. We developed a research model to understand what influences people's awareness of generative AI's environmental impact. We focused on four key factors: environmental concern, digital literacy, sustainability knowledge, and how frequently people use Gen AI. Our model proposes that these factors increase awareness and that awareness ultimately influences a person's intention to use AI in a more sustainable and responsible. Awareness acts as a bridge between what people know and how they behave. To test our model, we designed a structured questionnaire using a 5-point Likert scale and collected responses from Gen AI users in Bengaluru. We analyzed the responses using SmartPLS, a statistical tool commonly used for structural equation modeling. First, we verified that our questionnaire was reliable and valid, and then we tested the relationships between the different factors in our research model. Our analysis showed that people's awareness of Gen AI's environmental impact is influenced by several factors, particularly their experience with AI, the digital literacy, sustainability knowledge, and environmental concern. The most important finding was that awareness plays a central role. Simply caring about the environment isn't enough. People are more likely to use AI responsibly when they specifically understand the environmental impact of it. Awareness transforms knowledge into responsible action. This research highlights the importance of making AI more transparent. AI companies can help by sharing information about the environmental impact of their system. Educational institutions can include AI sustainability in digital literacy programs, and policymakers can encourage responsible AI practices. Small changes in awareness today can lead to more sustainable technology use. Our project explored how awareness shapes sustainable AI usage. Through research, data analysis, and teamwork, we discovered that responsible technology begins with informed users. As Gen AI continues to evolve, creating awareness today can help build a more sustainable future for tomorrow.